Charity begins at home. Good morning, everybody. This is Naval in front of you with another story. Story is all about Karna's charity. We all know that how the Karna was charitable in this earth. He was the topmost charitable person who we know. One one time when the Karna was at the last bed time, he was called by the Dharmaraj Yudhishthira, who was himself Yudhishthira, and Karna was as the doorstep of the heaven. He was about to enter in the heaven. The Dharmaraj greeted him so well, and they embraces each other, and Karna asked Yudhishthira that can I enter to the gate of heaven? Dharmaraja said, can I ask you a question? Karna said, yes, you can. Dharmaraj said, what did you do in this life so that you can be entered in the heaven? Yudhishthira said, you all know that I have given all my wealth, gold in this earth, and everybody was happy with my charitable things. Even I have devoted, or I have given my gold, gold which was on my tooth. So you can imagine that how I was charitable. Yudhishthira said, yes, I can imagine that you were most charitable person in the earth, but in terms of gold, if you have donated gold, you can receive the same amount of gold in heaven. But you cannot be entered in the heaven if you have not helped poor people on the earth. He was in skeptical position that he did not remember a single point of time in his life that he has fed to the poor people. He asked 15 days time from the Dharmaraja to go back to the earth and do something which can allowed him to go into the heaven. Dharmaraja permitted him for 15 days to go back to the earth. Karna bowed down in front of the Dharmaraja and asked permission to go back to the earth. He went to the earth. He was thinking about what can he do to do the charitable things so that he can be permitted in the gate, in the premises of the heaven. He went to earth. A thought came into his mind. He went to door of the people. He asked to the people what they can do for their forefathers who have done a lot of things in their life when they were kid. So if you would feed to the poor people in the cities and countries, you would get the blessings of your forefathers, and you would get blessings of poor people too. This news spread like a fire in the country, in the city and village, and everybody was ready to fed to the poor people. And in those 15 days, everybody was feeding to the poor people in the remembrance of their old or forefathers. In those 15 days, not a single poor man or beggars was slapped empty stomach. Once the 15 days were over, Karna went to the door of heaven. He asked to Dharmaraja that can I tell you what I did in those 15 days that I can be entered in heaven. Dharmaraja embraced him so well and greeted him so well that he said, no, I already knew that you did everything to fed to the poor people. Now you are allowed to go into the heaven and can enjoy the life of heaven. So the Shraddha tradition has been started from that moment, because the Karna made this a tradition in the Hindus or Sanatan Dharma, that they can remember to their forefather and fed to the poor people of the country. So we can say that charity begins at home. Thank you so much.